PSLE 2024 Paper 2 Question 13. ABC is an equilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle. So let's put this in. These three sides are the same. And A, C, D, E is a square, which means that these four sides are the same. FB is parallel. FB is parallel to ED. Given that ACD is a square, it means that AC is also parallel. Alright, now let's find part A. Find angle FAE. FAE. This angle. Okay, for our very first step, I would like to redraw this. Okay, this is FB, AC. We know that these two lines are parallel. So any line that draws across two parallel lines, the two interior angle will add up to 180 degrees. Alright, which means that we can easily find this angle here. Angle FAC is equals to 180 degrees minus 68 degrees and give us 112. So this is 112. Alright, and given that ACDE is a square, we know that this is 90. So let's find our answer for part A. Angle FAE is equals to 360 degrees minus 112 degrees minus 90 degrees. Okay, and this will give us 158 degrees. This is our answer for part A. Now for part B, find angle FBD. FBD. Here. Now we know that this is an equilateral triangle, so this is 60. We know that this is a square, so this is 90. Alright, so this entire angle here is 60 plus 90, which gives us 150. And can you see this isosceles triangle here? Okay, so to find angle, this is part B. To find angle DBC, which is this one here, is equals to 180 minus 150 divided by 2, which is 15 degrees, right? So this is 15 degrees. Let's carry on part B over here. Now we know that this is 15. We know that this is 60. We know that the FAC is 112. Alright, so I'm going to redraw this diagram here so that it's easier for you to see. Okay, this is F, B, C, A. We know that this is 68. We know that this is 112. We know that this is 60. We know that this is 15. Now we have a four-sided figure here, which we should know by heart that a four-sided figure, sum of all interior angles should equals to 180 degrees times 2, which is 360 degrees. Alright, because it can be split into two triangles. Now we know that the total is 360. In order to find angle FBD, which is this angle, we can take 360 degrees minus 112 minus 60 minus 68 and minus 15. Alright, and that will give us 105 degrees. So this is your answer for part B. Alright. Now, circle the word that describe A, B, F, C. A, F, B, C. A, F, B, C, which is the diagram that I have just drawn. AFBC is a trapezium or parallelogram because FB is or is not parallel to AC. Now, in order for this diagram to be a parallelogram, you need FB to be parallel. You also need this side, the other side, to be parallel. But given that 68 is not equals to 60, hence these two lines are not parallel, so it cannot be a parallelogram. Alright, so it is a trapezium because FB is parallel to AC, which we have already drawn in the initial diagram, and FA is not parallel to BC.